Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to redeem gift code on Embark. By redeeming gift code on Embark, it will grant you access to premium features in game items or other virtual goods. To redeem gift code on Embark, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar on the top and type in id.embark.games, then press on enter. With this, now you'll be taken to official website of Embark. Now to redeem your gift code on Embark, you need to first log into your Embark account. For this, you can use a Steam account, your PlayStation account or your Xbox account. I am going to log in with my Steam account. So click on Steam. Then you need to enter your email address and password of your Steam account to log in. As you can see here, my ID is already present, so I can click on sign in to get logged into my Steam account. After this, you'll be able to log into your Embark account. Now here you can see your profile. Now on the left side, you can see redeem gift code option. Click on redeem gift code. After this, it will take you to redeem gift code page. Now here you need to enter your gift code on the given box. It will help you to get free virtual in-game goods which will be automatically added to your The Finals account. So enter gift code on the given box. After this, click on redeem option. With this, your gift code will be redeemed on Embark. You need to know that gift codes may expire and unique codes can be used only one time. This is how we can redeem gift code on Embark. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.